Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing how a few SubliCraft accessory blanks can quickly become custom items with sublimation. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now if you enjoyed this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. Let's get started. Heat Press Nation's SubliCraft line has only been growing ever since it began with affordable, high-quality mugs back in 2019. One of SubliCraft's goals has been to provide the best sublimation blanks at an affordable cost, especially for crafters looking to turn their side gig into a business. And in following this key goal are recent additions to this line that may be small, but are waiting to be customized to yours or another's needs. These are SubliCraft's square mats, car coasters, seatbelt wraps, luggage spotters, and coin purses. All of these items are built with a soft and robust poly-rich material ready to maintain colorful sublimation transfers applied onto their white surface. And each one still follows the simple basis of print and press. So in this video, we'll be going through how they can be fully customized from start to finish using a Sawgrass SG500 sublimation printer and an HPN Craft Pro swing away heat press. Of course, you could use your own sublimation printer and heat press, keeping in mind that their setups and functions will differ slightly from the machines used here. Let's first dive into the square mats, which are a 6-inch addition to SubliCraft's larger mouse pads. Though they're not only ideal for computer users on the go, they can also be used as a soft desk coaster. These can serve as branded items to help bring awareness to yours or another's business, or as a simple alternative way of selling your best photos or artwork in a small form factor. To prepare your images for these items and all other blanks in this video, you can reference its imprint area or use its template at heatpressnation.com. To clip your image within the imprint area in Adobe Illustrator, create a rectangle or circle that's a 1/4 inch larger than the item's imprint area. Then, import your image to scale it down to your shape size, organize it below your shape, select both of them, and right-click to create clipping mask. Setting your clipping mask a 1/4 inch larger than the base provides extra bleed, preventing your image from appearing clipped when applied to your item. But with your image prepared, you could fit duplicates or prepare other images depending on your paper's size. However, our 8.5 by 11-inch paper will only be able to fit one image for one pad. Once you're ready, you may print it through your sublimation printer. For Sawgrass printers, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager with these settings: substrate to polyester, paper to your paper's profile, leave the mirror option checked, and in the color tab, set the color mode to photographic or vivid depending on your image's level of saturation. We typically use vivid as this brings out the most vibrant colors from our images. These SPM settings will also apply to the rest of the SubliCraft blanks demonstrated here. But with all these set, go ahead and click print. With the transfer printed, let's go ahead and turn on our heat press, setting it to 60 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Since these SubliCraft blanks are built with the same poly-rich material, it'll be safe to use these settings for the rest of the items in this video. You'll also be able to press multiples of these items at once thanks to their small size. For the most part, the settings detailed here will suffice, but you can always add 5 seconds for each additional item in case your machine needs more time to fully press them. Once your heat press reaches temperature, cover the lower platen with the sheet of parchment paper, then add your transfer on top facing up. Next, bring your items in with their white surface facing towards the printed image, then attach them in place with heat tape. Flip the attached items paper side up, cover them with another sheet of parchment paper, and press. When the timer reaches 0, open your machine and allow the items to cool down for at least 20 seconds. Afterwards, quickly peel them off the transfer and they've now been sublimated with your own images. These square mats here are ready to bring your work on the go in a less traditional fashion yet they won't go unnoticed with your best designs. Next up are the SubliCraft car coasters. These may seem tiny, but they're actually of a common size and are still able to absorb excess liquid from anyone's drink. And being that they're sublimation blanks, they too can hold your own images in full color, particularly perfect for logos and emblems. The steps to customize these items are much the same as with the square mats, although you'll need to keep one detail in mind. When preparing your image from scratch with the item's imprint area, a top indent of about 1 inch wide by 1/3 of an inch deep will cut a small portion of your image out when applied. You can also duplicate more of them on a single 8.5 by 11 inch document thanks to their smaller size. Otherwise, you can proceed with the same Sawgrass Print Manager settings as well as the same heat press settings. Remember to always use fresh sheets of parchment paper when pressing another batch of items for sublimation. And once you've finished pressing your car coasters, they're now ready to bring yours or another logo to anyone's busy commute or long drive. And these are only 2 of the recent accessory blanks from the SubliCraft line. To see how the other items are customized, stay tuned for part 2 of this SubliCraft showcase, which will cover the seat belt wraps, luggage spotters, and coin purses. If you'd like to share your customized sublimation accessories with us, plus a large community of heat transfer enthusiasts, you can always join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about SubliCraft sublimation blanks, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to get in touch with the My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.